Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ski boot that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Tecnica Mach 1130 megavolts ski boots. The Tecnica Mach 1s take their place as our number 1 all-round ski boot, and with good reason. These men's skiing boots incorporate a perfect blend of performance and comfort while accommodating a variety of foot shapes, skiing styles and all sorts of snow conditions. Built with a custom-adapted shape, heat-moldable liners, and quick instep injection, these snowshoes are an ideal gift for skiers who have wider feet and are looking for a convenient, out-of-the-box fit. And with a 100mm forefoot last and a 130 flex, the Mach 1130 skiing boots are highly durable and can withstand even the highest levels of exertion. Moving on at number 4, we have the Atomic Hawx Ultra XTD 130 ski boots. The Hawx XTDs have pretty much perfected the balance between uphill and downhill performance while remaining remarkably easy to customize for a superior fit. These best all-mountain ski boots have a moderately narrow forefoot with just enough space over the instep region. But, if you find yourself with a wider foot, don't despair. The Hawx Ultra XTD 130 boots can easily be heat-molded using Atomic's Memory Fit process. This allows the boot to fit most average to slightly wider feet. At number 3, we have the Salomon X Pro 100 ski boots. If comfort is your top priority, then you have met your match with the Salomon X Pro 100 ski boots. With a 360 degrees custom shell and cuff that can accommodate both narrow and wide feet, these are probably the most comfortable ski boots on the list and are a perfect fit for intermediate to advanced skiers. And if that's not enough, these Salomon ski boots feature the amazing Twin Frame 2 technology, which dials in just the right amount of rigidity where it's needed so that the boot's performance is enhanced while you venture into deep snow and blast through crud-clad slopes. At number 2, we have the Lang RX 120 ski boots. The RX 120s are classic all-mountain and cross-country ski boots. They are designed with quality features that aim to enhance one's skiing performance while keeping your feet warm, snug, and comfortable. This is a boot for advanced or professional skiers who enjoy the security of a 4-buckle overlap design and more energy transmission for when you are really cranking out the turns. With a no-frills attitude and a performance-oriented fit, the Lang RXs offer a racing pedigree that oozes precision and powerful transmission. And finally at number 1, we have the Tecnica Cochise 100 ski boots. If you are intrigued by skiing and are considering taking up the sport as a more serious pastime, then the Tecnica 100s are your go-to boots for beginners. With a power-light design and conveniently equipped with SAS, switch at the back, technology that helps you to walk in parking lots with less hassle and then hike up terrain parks comfortably, the Tecnica 100s are also extremely versatile on the slopes. Comfort is taken care of with the CAS system, which makes both the shell and liner thermo-moldable, customizing the fit to your foot's shape. This leaves you to focus on the thrill of the ride as you take to backcountry extremes.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.